Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, pick a reputable VPN with strong encryption and a privacy-friendly jurisdiction. This matters for why your data stays private. Once you have an account, create a unique password and enable two-factor authentication to reduce account compromise risk. Then install the official app on your device and allow only the necessary permissions so the client can run. Make sure to note your login details. You're ready for the initial connection step. You now configure and connect. Start by choosing a VPN protocol. WireGuard gives faster throughput while OpenVPN may be more compatible. Pick based on device and needs. Then select a server. Pick a nearby server for lower latency or one in a specific country to access region-locked content. Once connected, enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic won't leak if the tunnel drops. Also set auto-connect on trusted Wi-Fi so you don't forget to secure future sessions. You finish by verifying and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. First, confirm your IP and DNS show the VPN provider's values so you're not leaking. Use an IP check and DNS test after connecting. If speeds are poor, switch servers or protocols and test on a wired network to isolate local Wi-Fi issues. If content is blocked, clear browser cache, try obfuscated or stealth servers, and only then contact provider support with logs. Keep these checks handy so you can resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.